by art since my childhood, but I started to focus on art since 2017. My art related to nature. I'm part of nature and nature is part of me. I love nature. I love the colors of the sea and sky. That's why most of my paintings like I use vibrant colors. I use texture to show the real nature in abstract way. I also like to show the viewer the happiness, the joy. I want the viewer to have the positive energy once they look at my painting. And this is my message behind my paintings all. We can see too much beauty in nature if we have the time to look at it. I love the blue and I love the green. Blue is the color of the sky and sea. The green is the color of nature.